Hello neighbors! It is Christmas Day, December 25 here in Leavenworth, Washington, and the view is still very magnificent. It's quiet, a lot more quiet than yesterday. Yay! Merry Christmas! Yeah, it's still Christmas. So we're about to head out and go home and enjoy the rest of the day. Just a quick stop. It's very pretty. I mean, yes it is. There's a small village. Is that a village, baby?
No, it's just a...
Mr. Gimbal?
Mr. Gimbal, Mrs. Gimbal. No, this is just a valley.
A valley. But there's houses. And there's another house there, if you can see.
Nice valley.
Yep, this looks like apocalypse right now. And then zombie will be waiting ahead of us. If we stop, zombie will be running after us. Right? You're looking at me like, what are you talking about? It's gonna follow us?
Yes.
Is it a video now?
It's a video now.
Happy 25th of December.
Yeah, 25th of December, yes.
So let's come over here and let's see if they don't follow me slowly because...
Yep, you'll follow.
Look at this, how pretty they are. Do you see it? I don't know their names, but wow.
And then we have these red things over here.
Right here. Do you see that? Perfect. They're just like a very good combination of colors. I wish I can bring them home and have them on my backyard. Well, what is this? Wow, that's even pretty. Maybe I can take this home.
You want to take that home?
It's
You
really
can take
pretty
it home.
decoration. You know what I mean? Look at this. Wow. In the Philippines, this would be considered as, it's called kanyamo. But I don't think this is kanyamo. Wow, that's a good decor.
Okay.
Right?
You want it?
Yeah.
Look, we can take it.
Oh my, this is so pretty. I could say no.
There's some sagebrush over here too. That could be sagebrush.
You still follow me? Come here. Yeah. So right now I'm using the Osmo, a mobile Osmo 3 or something, and it's actually following my face. Yay! Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus. Christmas tree. Let's come over here. Let's go over here. And it's following me. How about here? I'm gonna turn on you. I'm gonna go to you, baby. Let's see if it can twist that far.
Here,
What do you have?
that's some sage.
Really?
Smell it.
Wow. But we can't plant it. It's chilly now. We better go.
Yeah. Was.
Bye! This is just a short stop. And it's perfect place to stop, really. Bye! Hey, I gotta do my signature. 1, 2, ready?
You're gone.
It's not as good. Those are good steak, baby.
Those are good steaks.
The black Angus.
Yeah, they're good steaks.
Very tender.
Yeah.
We should get one.
All right, let's go back.
Let's put it here inside our back seat.
Strap it on the top. Feet up the air.
We'll end up in the...
And we get home, people come out and say, "What'd you do?"
For Christmas.
Oh, we cattle rustled. Okay, this is the Columbia River Gorge. This is a viewpoint on Highway 14. And this is what the third largest river, I think, in the United States.
Mississippi River.
Missouri River.
River.
And then,
And it's Columbia River?
yeah, I believe so.
Hopefully we're not wrong. So this is a view of Mount Jefferson. Where is Mount Jefferson?
It's covered up in the clouds.
Too bad. He observed the snow-clad top. Scenic route. I thought we drove here before, maybe?
We have,
Yeah, we did, right?
yes.
Ancient fishery.
What'd you say?
This is the first, way back when, I don't know, how long was that? 2014?
2014.
Yeah, that was our first road trip here with me in the United States. We took this and we crossed the Bridge of the Gods, right?
That's right.
We don't have $2 today, so we're not able to cross the Bridge of the Gods.
Yeah, it's a toll bridge.
Yeah. So, Christmas Day and no money.
Yeah. Yeah. That's just our luck. That's how Christmas is.
Yeah, but we didn't buy anybody a gift. You bought me gift, I did.
Well, you bought me gifts too, so, you know. Oh, well, that's Christmas.
They're digging holes here, baby. I wonder what they're planning on putting here. Oh, yeah. This is the great march. You ready to go? Are you ready to go?
Yeah,
Let's go. It's misty.
it's raining out.
Thank you for watching. Click thumbs up and subscribe.